The Marble Institute of America is proud to present the 2008 Pinnacle Awards, one of the natural stone industry's premier competitions, honoring projects from around the world that demonstrate exceptional beauty, ingenuity, and craftsmanship. This year, the Pinnacle Award presentation has even more meaning. For the first time, MIA will single out one of the Pinnacle Award of Excellence winners to receive the new and prestigious Grand Pinnacle Award, sponsored by Marmomac. But more about the Grand Pinnacle Award later. The Pinnacle Awards are open to MIA member companies around the world, with the competition focusing on projects in residential interior or exterior, commercial interior, commercial exterior, and restoration renovation. This year, the judging took place in Austin, Texas, in the shadow of the Texas Capitol. The judges were Stan Haas, Director of Design at Nelson Partners Architects of Austin, Texas; Jack Cedars of Austin, Texas, immediate past president of MIA; Chuck Muehlbauer, Technical Director of MIA; and Christian Pongratz, partner in Pongratz Perbolini Architects of Verona, Italy. The judges pored over stacks of entries for several hours in the process of selecting category winners, then turned their attention to the Grand Pinnacle Award. They were all impressed with the variety and the overall quality of entries.
I think that the entries this year were broad, and I think that's impressive.
I think the variety of submissions this year was an interesting statement in itself.
There are two award categories: Pinnacle Award of Excellence and Pinnacle Awards of Merit. Let's first look at the Pinnacle Award of Merit winners. In the residential interior-exterior category, a Pinnacle Award of Merit goes to Walker Zanger for 25 Bond Street in a historic New York neighborhood of distinctive cast iron and masonry structures. The design combines the qualities of these building types in a muscular yet graceful composition very clearly of our time. The judges called the detail in the paving remarkable and commented interesting use of texture in the facade. Kepco Plus of Salt Lake City won a Pinnacle Award of Merit for the Utah State Capitol Podium, which utilizes 6 types of natural stone from 4 different countries and incorporated teamwork from 4 MIA member companies. Constructed as part of the Utah State Capitol renovation, the 122,500 square feet of natural stone unifies the Capitol grounds by connecting various elements of the facility. The judges said, "The new blends with the existing seamlessly, producing an attractive result." In commercial exterior, a Pinnacle Award of Merit goes to Marble World for Club Campestre Monterrey, one of the most important and exclusive golf clubs in Mexico. For a new clubhouse, the architect specified uniquely finished granite for the exterior and interior walls of the building, and went with mixed bush hammered and honed finish for these vertical surfaces. It took 4 months to install the 130,000 square feet of natural stone. The judges were impressed with the clean, strong sculptural lines of the building and how the stone reinforced them. Now we present the coveted Pinnacle Awards of Excellence. In the residential interior-exterior category, a Pinnacle Award of Excellence goes to Walker Zanger for Nemo or New Modern. Natural materials, neutral colors, a water feature, and an abundance of light combine to create this harmonious, tranquil, and resort-like master bathroom spa suite. The simplified palette and consistent building materials facilitate the transition from the inside to the outside. Rooms flow easily from one into another, and massive sliding window walls disappear into pockets to transform the area into a single indoor-outdoor space. The judges called it a great residential space and an extremely soothing environment. Rugo Stone of Lorton, Virginia wins a Pinnacle Award of Excellence in Commercial Interior for the 2101 L Street project in Washington, D.C., a renovation project where the existing structure remained and the interior was modified for a new ground-level lobby design. The lobby paving consisted of 4,000 square feet of Basaltina vein-cut sandstone quarried near Rome. The lobby wall veneer consisted of Statutorio Venato marble from Carrara, Italy. The judges praised the project as spectacular in its simplicity. 2 Pinnacle Awards of Excellence were presented in commercial exterior. one to Dee Brown Incorporated of Garland, Texas, for the George Purefoy Municipal Center in Frisco, Texas, designed to have elements in keeping with Richard Clayton designs of the early 1900s. This Silver Leads project utilizes all natural stone materials sourced within 500 miles of the site. West Texas Hadrian limestone was utilized in 6 different patterns, including a variety of machine-smooth and split-faced stone in varied sizes. The judges were impressed with the great design and clever use of materials. The second Pinnacle Award of Excellence in this category is presented to Titan Stone of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for the Adrian Arsht Center for Performing Arts in neighboring Miami. Altogether, Titan Stone's masons erected nearly 31,000 pieces and over 230,000 square feet of granite on the exterior skins of the center's 2 enormous buildings. One judge said, "Wow, layman or professional, one cannot ignore this striking form." Another called it a landmark project which will endure. In the Renovation Restoration category, Dee Brown Incorporated came back to win a second Pinnacle Award of Excellence in this year's competition for the Old Red Courthouse Clock Tower in Dallas. Constructed in the 1890s, the Old Red Courthouse has served numerous civic functions and is a historic landmark for Dallas County. Dismantled in 1919, the tower was restored in phases and completed last year. Judges called it a true renovation challenge to match the material and craft from 4 or 5 generations, and a classic renovation restoration for matching stones and workmanship that are no longer in use. And finally, the Pinnacle judges presented a special Pinnacle Award for Artistry and Technology to Campoloni Italia and Dee Brown Incorporated for illumination, solar light sculptures at the Symantec Research and Development Facility in Culver City, California. Illumination is envisioned as a sustainable artwork which combines sculpture, landscape, solar power, and light. It alludes to both the physical and metaphorical sense of the word, and consists of a series of 7 solar-powered light sculptures which define the entrance drive to the facility. The judges called it a graceful blend of technology and art, an interesting combination of artistic lighting and in-your-face solar technology. And now for the highlight of the 2008 Pinnacle Awards. MIA and Marmomac of Verona, Italy, the world's most important stone show, present the winner of the first annual Grand Pinnacle Award. The winning company receives the magnificently crafted Grand Pinnacle Award created by Tobias Scarpa of Venice, Italy, an award-winning architect, designer, and restoration specialist whose design objects have been displayed in some of the most famous museums in the world. The winning company will also receive a trip to Marmomac 2009 in Verona. After the regular judging was completed, the 2008 panel really had its work cut out in selecting one entry to receive the Grand Pinnacle Award. Finally, after much deliberation, they selected Walker Zanger for Nemo, or New Modern, the resort-like spa bath which won a Pinnacle Award of Excellence in the Residential Interior-Exterior category. Why did the judges select this entry above all else? 2 of them summed it up.
It was just a fantastic piece of work.
It was just simply spectacular in its soothing qualities. Each of us, I think quite literally, did want to go there and experience that space. And to see that kind of timeless quality in such a relatively modest project was really quite wonderful.
Congratulations to Walker Zanger, the Grand Pinnacle Award recipient, and to all of the Pinnacle Award of Excellence and Pinnacle Award of Merit winners.